Hi, my name is Wayne McAfee. I'm with Penn State Facilities Engineering Institute. We're here at a facility doing some troubleshooting for steam and gas flow meters. The meters were installed incorrectly. We've now had them installed correctly, and we're here gathering data to check the boilers, verify that the meters are reading correctly so that they can proceed with the rest of their project. So what that involves is we brought in a rented ultrasonic flow meter to read the feed water going to a boiler. We have so that we can verify the steam flow meters. And we're also reading the local gas meters as well as the utility gas meter and makeup water. We're taking all those readings, and then we'll run calculations to verify that the meters are reading correctly. The meters were just replaced from being recalibrated, the gas flow meters. So we're going to start taking some data on those this afternoon, and we'll run on into tomorrow and perhaps the next day, doing different setups in the plant so that we can record the gas flow, the steam flow from those meters and compare to the other meters that we have. So we should be able to verify those, and they can move on.